Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the Squid Game like guard, the like square one. I actually haven't watched it at all, so don't come for me. I don't know what they're called, but color everything black here. Let's not include the nails because we're going to use gloves anyways. And then I'm just going to get some gloves here. And I'm just going to select the short toggle in black and no fur, sorry. And then for the shoes, I'm like trying to remember where everything is. We're going to use these boots in all black again. Like this. Then we're going to get these pants in the cargo version, so like enable the pockets. For the color, I'm going to be using this color B32354, and we're going to use the silk toggle for that. And then we are also going to use this code item here in that same color. Make sure everything is in that like silk material, sorry. Then we're also going to use these shorts, these pink shorts, in that color in silk. Go to the currency item. I am going to use this in, I think, the second toggle in all black. I could be wrong. Maybe it's the first toggle. I'm not sure actually. Don't know why I can't color it either. It's annoying. Just color everything black. Let me try to toggle it to the second. Okay, toggle it to the second one. And then position the Y at 0.59 and the Z at 0.48. And we're going to scale it to 0.36. There we go. Then we are going to get the face mask and we're just going to color it black here. For this one, we're going to position the Y at 0.49 and then the Z at 0.48. Then we're going to grab this this hood here in the second toggle in the same color in silk. Then for the square, we're going to firstly use this headset in black and then white and then black again. For this one, we are going to position the Y at 0.53, the Z at 0.36, and then we're going to scale it all the way to 0. Then we are going to get the thin headbands here in white as well, in the type 3 toggle. And then we're going to position the Y at 0.59, the Z at 0.47. Then we're going to rotate the X to 0 and we're going to scale it to 0.05. Then we're going to get the thick headbands in white as well. Toggle it to the third toggle. Then we're going to position the Y at 0.41, the Z at 0.47. Then we're going to rotate the X to 0, and we're going to scale it to 0.05. Like so. Okay, now we will need these earrings. This one here in white as well, just in all white. Then we are going to position the Y at 0.71, the Z at 0.35, and we're going to scale it all the way to 0.07. Okay, next we are going to get these small hoop earrings. Color them white again. Position the Y at 0.66. And then the Z at 0.33. And then we're going to scale it all the way to 0. Lastly, we are going to get the like, I call them like the hexagon square earrings, this one, and color them all white as usual. For this one, position the Y at 0.65 and then the Z at 0.32, and then we're going to scale it all the way to 0, and as you can see, it's a square. Just get this for the prop, and that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!